What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all our brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Today we are going to be learning how to do some basic yoga poses. But before we do, let's start with our warm-up. Since we already learned how to do a squat in the last unit, let's do 3 squats to warm up. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Now that we've warmed up our bodies, we are ready for our exercise. Today, we are gonna learn a child's pose, which is a movement where we are down on the floor. So as we begin, we're gonna begin on our hands and knees, heels, hips to the back, and we are gonna start to lower our chest down to the ground. Arms straight out in front of you, palms down to the floor. You can feel that stretch. Remembering to breathe. Coming back up for a reset. Take a deep breath in and return those hands back down, stretching out that back. This is our child's pose. Returning back to the middle and centering. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day.